These are all the ingredients to our fudge. We have 2 tablespoons of vanilla, a half a cup of cocoa powder sifted, 1 stick of butter chopped up, and 1 pound of confectionery sugar, also sifted. And then we use a half a cup of chocolate milk, which is made with regular milk and Nestle's Quick. And it would be a good idea to measure the half a cup of chocolate milk. Pretty good guess. Yep. Then we just combine our ingredients. This stuff is so fluffy, I don't have my ceiling fan on here, so I'm pretty warm. It doesn't say to mix it, but I think it makes most sense to. We add our milk. We add our vanilla. Then we add our butter. I'll microwave it for 90 seconds. We'll microwave it until the butter is melted, or 90 seconds. We have prepared a loaf pan with a liner of parchment paper that has been lightly sprayed with vegetable oil. When that comes out of the microwave, we're going to whisk it and then pour it in the pan, and then it goes in the refrigerator. Okay, the butter was not quite all melted at 90 seconds, so I gave it an extra 30 seconds, and that seems to have done the trick. So we'll whisk this so it's all nice and smooth. And then we're just going to pour it into the pan. Now we'll take our pan and put it in the refrigerator. Well, here we have a beautiful pan of fudge, except that it's not hard. It does have a shiny crust on the cover, on the top. You can see it. It almost has form, but it's not hard. It's a very soft fudge. I am going to try to cut a piece of it because it does have shape. Let's get the pan out of the way. Don't remember what I cut with that. So we're going to take a corner off it. You can see how soft that really is.